Welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different topic or subject such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution class 8 maths chapter 6 squares and square roots exercise 6.4. So let's solve textbook exercise. The first question, find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. So 2304. We have to find the square root by division method. So first we will take the first two digits. So 4 into 4, that is 16, plus 4. So 4 plus 4, that is 88. Now we will take the next number, that is 704. So we will do it with 8. So 88 into 8, that is 704. So 88 plus 8, that is 96. So 48 is the answer. Second, 4489. So 6 into 6 is 36 and plus 6. So 1 to 7. 1 to 12 is that. Then we will multiply it with 7. So 127 into 7, that is 889. Then plus 7, that is 134. So 67 is the answer. 3481. So 5 into 5, that is 25. We'll add 5 here, so 10. Now we will take the number 9. So 109. 109 into 9, that is 981. So we will add 9 here, that is 118. So the answer is 59. 529. So 2 into 2 is 4. So we will add 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now we will take the number 3. So 43 into 3, that is 129. So we will add 3 here, that is 46. And the answer is 23. 3249. So 5 into 5 is 25. We will add 5 here, so 1010. Now we will add 7. So 107 into 7, that is 749. So the answer is 57. 1369. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 3 plus 3 is 6. We will take 7. So 67 into 7, that is 469. We will add 7 here, that is 74. And the answer is 37. 5776. So 7 into 7, that is 49. 7 plus 7 is 14. We will add 6. So 146 into 6, that is 876. So the answer is 76. 7921. So 8 into 8 is 64. We will add 8 here, 16. Now we will add 9. So 169 into 9, that is 1521. So the number is 89. 576. So 2 into 2 is 4. We will add 2. So 44. So now 44 into 4, that is 176. So the number is 24. Here 1024. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 3 plus 3 is 6. We will add 2. So 62 into 2, that is 124. So the number is 32. 3136. So 5 into 5 is 25. We will add 5 plus 5, that is 106. Now 106 into 6, that is 636. So the number is 56. Here 900. So 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 3, that is 60. 60 into 0 is 0. So number is 30. Next, second question, find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. So 144. So 144 if we do, that is 12. Hence the square root of the number 144 has 2 digits. 4429. 4429 if we do with the division method, that is 67. So square root of the number 4489 has 2 digit. Next, 27,225 if we do it with the division method, the answer is 165. So the square root of the number has 3 digits. Here 3,90,625. If we do it with the division method, we can say that the square root of a number has 3 digit. Now find the square root of the following decimal numbers. So 2.56. If we do it with the division method, then it is 1.6. 7.29. If we do it with the division method, then it is 2.7. 51.84. If we do it with the division method, then it is 7.2. 42.25 is 6.5. 31.36 is 5.6. Fourth question, find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also, find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So 102. If we do it with the division method, we will get that 400 is the square root of 20. We must subtract 2 from the 402 to get a perfect square. So the new number is 402 minus 2, that is 400. And the square root of 400 is 20. 1989. 1989 if we do with the division method. So we must subtract 53 from 1989 to get a perfect square. So the new number is 1989 minus 53, that is 1969. If we do it with the division method, we can say that 44 is the square root of 1936. 3250. If we do it with the division method, we can say that we must subtract 1 from 3250 to get a perfect square. So new number is 3250 minus 1, that is 3249. And the square root of 3249 is 57. 825. If we see with the division method, we can say that we must subtract 41 from 825 to get a perfect square. So new number is 825 minus 41, that is 784. And the square root of 784 is 28. 4000. If we do it with the subtraction division method, we must subtract 31 from 4000 to get a perfect square. So new number is 4000 minus 31, that is 3969, which is the perfect square of 63. Next question, find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So 525. If we do it with the division method, we can find that here 22 square is less than 525, more than 23 square. So we can say 525 is 129 minus 125, that is 4 less than 23 square. So if we add 4 to 525, we will get a perfect square. That is new number is 525 plus 4, that is 529. And 529 is the square of 23. 1750. If we say that 1750 is more than 41 square and less than 42 square, so we can say that 1750 is 164 minus 150, that is 14 less than 42 square. So if we add 14 to 1750, it is a perfect square. So new number is 1750 plus 14, that is 1764. And 1764 is a perfect square of 42. Next, 252. 15 square is more than 252 and 16 square is less than 52. 252. So we can say 252 is 156 minus 152, that is 4 less than 16 square. If we add 4 to 252, it will be the perfect square. So 252 plus 4, that is 256. 256 is the square of 16. 1825. We can say that 42 square is more than 1825 and 43 square is less than 1825. So we have to add 24 less than 43 squares. So we will add 24 to 1825. It will be the perfect square. So new number is 1849, which is the perfect square of 43. Next, 6412. So 6112 is less than 80 square and more than 81 square. So we have to less 149. If we add 149 to 6412, it will be a perfect square. So the new number is 6561, which is the perfect square of 81. Sixth question. Find the length of the side of square whose area is 441 meters square. So the area of field is 441 meters square. So a square is 441 meters square. So a equals to square root of 441. That is 21 meter. 7th. In a right triangle ABC, angle A equals to 90 degree. If AB equals to 6 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter, find AC. Given AB equals to 6 centimeter, BC equals to 8 centimeter. We have to find AC, which is x. So AB square equals to AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So this is the formula. So AC equals to 10 centimeter. Next, AB is 13 centimeter, BC equals to 5 centimeter. We have to find AB. So we will find AB with the same formula. So AB equals to AC square minus BC square. So 13 square minus 5 square, that is 169 minus 25, that is 144, which is 12. So AB equals to 12 centimeter. 8th question. A gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant this in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. So let the number of rows and columns be x. So total number of rows and columns equals to x into x, that is x square. As per question, x square equals to 1000. So x equals to, we have to find the square roots. So 31 square is more than 1000 and 32 square is less than 1000. So we can say 1000 is 124 minus 100, that is 24 less than 32 square. So 24 more plants are needed. 9th question. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children will be left out in this arrangement? So let the number of rows and columns be x. So total number of rows and column be x into x, that is x square. X square equals to 500, so x equals to root of 500. So we will find, so hence in this we can say that 16 children will be left out in the arrangement. So this was exercise 6.4 of chapter 6 class 8. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.